Hey everyone, Kensurfs here. We're back in the shave den and it's time to do another shave. I have a set that I'm going to be using today. I borrowed actually, probably last October, the razor and the brush, 7 potions, razor and brush, from my friend Ian, whose mother owns the absolutely fabulous store in Huntington Beach, the brick and mortar store where you can walk in and you can get shaving gear, shaving equipment. In fact, I meet him tomorrow. I'm going to be going into the store, so I probably will pick up something new. But I had returned that to him back in October, or whenever I shot that, late last year, and I wanted another one. I wanted my own, because I really enjoyed the razor and the brush. It is sealed right here. That is the shaving kit. Very quick shipping from New York. Although they're based in the UK, very quick shipping from New York. So I'm going to open this up here. We've got the old Benchmade here. Let's close the Benchmade and put her away so we don't get cut. Let's open this up. Kind of a cool storage system. The tube. And there is the razor and the brush. You also get little 7 potions pamphlet, how to shave. I never saw that before because I had borrowed it. And let me bring out the razor. There's the razor. Nice handle. Really nice razor. And, oops, the brush. Brush is ready. Brush jumped out. And there is the brush. I believe it's synthetic badger. Yeah, it's synthetic. Pretty sure it's synthetic. Nice and soft. All right. That is the brush. So, let's put the brush right now into the crystal skull here. Got some nice hot water going. Man, it is nice to have a brand new water heater in the house. That water comes out very hot. And I will be using, it has not been hot here in Southern California in Huntington Beach. It's been in the 40s at night. You guys probably laugh where you're from going, oh, 40s, that's nothing. But it felt like it was the Arctic. So, margaritas in the Arctic again. We'll be doing that. All right, perfect. So I'm going to use one of my favorite blades, the Wilkinson Sword Gillette, very mild blade, saloon pack from India. I picked them up on eBay, but I believe they're everywhere now. And let me open up that blade, get the Wilkinson Sword out. There's a 3-piece razor. Got a little safety pamphlet there. There we go, take that off. Put the blade in. This isn't the first time using this style razor, but it's nice when it's your own, right? There we go. There we go. All right. Let us wet the face here. Oh, and I do need a shave, right? You don't need that. You can see I do need a shave. All right. All right. Here we go. Oh, you haven't tried the Stirling Margaritas in the Arctic. My goodness, it's cold. It's got a lot of menthol in it. It is ice cold. Oh, it smells so good. Here we go. A little more water on there. Better. So quiet out there. The mailman just showed up. The dog didn't really go nuts with him. It's a different mailman. He must dislike particular ones. I don't know. Oh man, nice. And I do not feel the ice chill 100% just yet. But it's coming. It is coming. All right, nice big fat handle. Really, I just like the look of this razor. Okay. Oh, nice. You can feel all those whiskers just falling away. That's what I like. I like a shave that one pass you could live with. In case you're in a hurry. You shouldn't be shaving when you're in a hurry. You should be shaving when you want to relax and just take it easy. But some of you guys who work in business offices and you have to be clean shaven every day, I understand. You're waking up every morning shaving. I understand. I don't shave as much as I used to when I was going into work. I've been telecommuting for 2 years, so now, you know, I don't really shave. I shave for you guys. Or if I'm going out with a wife or something. Oh man, very nice, very nice. No complaints here. Here's where I usually cut myself. I'm putting some good pressure on this too, and I'm not really feeling it nick or... Man, I could probably live with that, but I won't. All right, a little more water in there. Now that I've got a shave going, I can feel the face getting ice cold. I think it probably takes off the top layer of skin too, and that's when that menthol kicks in, man. That's when the menthol kicks in. It's nice in the summer to be using this too, because it's nice to cool down a little bit if you're from somewhere very hot. Super Bowl's coming up. Rams made it. Who would have figured? They never won, or I think they went to the Super Bowl when they were from LA, when they were playing at the Coliseum or the Rose Bowl, but they lost, and then they went to St. Louis and they won there. It's going to be a good game. Crazy upsets. I'm sure COVID had a lot to do with this season's upsets. A lot of players out. In all sports. Hear the feedback? I angled that razor when I slid it, and you should not do that. Always keep it square with your face, or you'll slice yourself. But that's how you learn, right? You do it once. You try not to do it again. nice. Ready to go to the office, if I was. All right. Nice, nice, nice shave. Okay. Don't have my usual shave towel hanging up. All right. My daughter's going to be running a 10K soon, so she goes, hey, I need to practice. You want to run a 5K this Saturday? And I'm all, But it's been a while. Got to do it. Why not? All right. Stirling Margaritas in the Arctic. Man, it's going to make my eyes water. Guaranteed. Oh, there's a burn. Wow. Wow. I don't know if you guys have tried this before, but if you want that ice cold menthol feeling, man, it's the go-to. No nicks. I call that a successful shave. Hey, thanks for tuning in, everybody. I appreciate you watching me. I appreciate you watching the channel, and your subscriptions are always appreciated. And as usual, I want you to stay safe and enjoy life, and we will see you all again very, very soon. Till next time, it's Kensurfs saying have a great night.